Ah, there you are. It's been a couple of days since I made a video. It's good to see you back. So, what do we got tonight? Well, we got, in the essence of this channel, simple food. It's a little complicated tonight. In fact, it's a little complicated for our channel. But it's magnificent. When I made this for Mrs. Chef, I didn't think she'd like it, and she loved it. Because it's just so ridiculously simple. The key to tonight's ingredient? This. What the heck is that? It's a reusable coffee filter. What do you do with that? Well, you fill it with some of this non-branded specific, pardon me, oh, I didn't show that, full-fat Greek yogurt. Yeah, you fill this up, you let it train overnight. You know, you might need something like this to hold it above a soup bowl. But what you end up with when you do that is basically yogurt cheese. Mix into that a clove or two of garlic, depending on your taste, a little bit of salt, a little bit of olive oil, and you have an amazing condiment. You can also mix in some black pepper, some salt, some oil, maybe a little vinegar if you're in the mood, and have an amazing thing to put on crackers, but that's another show. Oh, excuse me. So, easy condiment, easy thing to play with around your house. So what we're doing is making a dish that in another culture takes 5 minutes, but of course, in our culture where you don't buy strained yogurt at the market, you have to do it yourself. So, strained yogurt. What else have we got? Well, I got 1 cup of lentils and 2 cups of chicken stock that I've been cooking until they're done. Oh, chicken stock. Cheers. Not the first time I tried to make this video, so you'll pardon me if I've had a little too much chicken stock. Okay, so 1 cup lentils, 2 cups chicken stock, boiled up. Now, this is the hard part. And if you paid attention to this channel, you know we cook onions. So I've been cooking these onions for 45 minutes. So what do we got, really? Onions sliced into strips. Trust me, there are thousands of those videos out there. You can watch every one of them. Little olive oil and a little bit of salt. Cooked up slowly. There you go. These onions were cooked for about half an hour, and they're going to make the garnish. So, my lentils are about done. With 2 cups of stock, 1 cup of lentils. And in fact, unlike last time I made this for Mrs. Chef, looks like my stock is completely gone. All right. That's good. I will tell you that my favorite thing in the entire world are lentils cooked in chicken stock. A good chicken stock. So, let's add some rice. Oh, excuse me. Ah, here you are. Measuring cup. So, one more cup of chicken stock. Throw that in. And let's cook some rice. Okay, that's working out nicely. And I'm on YouTube time, so I can't show you the whole thing. So what do we got? Really, at the end of the day. I got yogurt, drained, mixed with a clove of garlic, a little salt, a little olive oil. Makes a cheese. We are going to be covering cheese making, but you see, that's not yogurt. That doesn't stir around. That doesn't move around. That's cheese. That's very rich and it's wonderful. If you like yogurt, you're going to love that. I got, in this next pot, basically 2 cups of chicken stock, 1 cup of yogurt, or pardon me, 1 cup of lentils, cooked until the lentils are tender, 1 cup of your rice, and another cup of chicken stock. And we're going to cook that until that's done. Well, I know it's done, and I can eat the rice without breaking the tooth. Third pan. I got onions cooked for half an hour, and onions cooked for a full hour. A little olive oil, a little salt. Mix that all together. That's called dinner. I'm on YouTube time, so I can't show you the cooking of the rice. Not that that's terribly exciting. But what I can say is chicken stock, hooray. So that's it. When you're really bored, take some Greek yogurt, throw it in a coffee filter, drain it for 24 hours, mix in some garlic, salt, and olive oil. First, that alone will be amazing. Second, take an onion, cook it for half an hour, or half of it for half an hour. Cook the remaining half for the rest of the hour. Take some lentils, 1 to 2, 1 cup lentils, 2 cups chicken stock. Cook those up, because quite honestly, lentils and chicken stock are a magnificent combination. Don't ask me to explain it. I don't understand it. It just is. Throw in 1 cup of rice and an extra cup of chicken stock and cook that. What you do is you mix the lentils, the rice, and the onions. Top it with the half-hour onions and the yogurt. Serve it next to a salad. It's amazing. I know. It's a lot of steps for some really basic, stupid food. How am I doing on time? 8 minutes. Oh my goodness. So yeah. This channel's all about simple, stupid dinners. And this is one of them. You try this, you'll be amazed. It's really, really, really good. And yeah, we cook onions for a long time on low heat here. It's that French onion technique. You master that, and remember, technique creates flavor. Yeah. Technique creates flavor. Slow cook your onions, you'll get an amazing flavor. Fast cook your onions, you'll get an amazing flavor that's different. I'm almost at 9 minutes. I'm running out of time here, folks. This is social media. Please be good social citizens. Subscribe, like, share, blah, blah, blah. And we'll keep making these videos about really simple, stupid food. I got lentils, I got rice, I got onions, I got yogurt, and I got garlic. Oh yeah, and I got a salad. You can make dinner out of that. You're doing pretty good. That's it. Thank you. Goodbye.